guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney Lynn, and in today's video I'm showing you guys my bedroom transformation. This is such an awesome before and after because it is extremely drastic, going from pink to a brand new color, and I can't wait to show you guys that. For those of you who don't know, I share this bedroom with my younger sister, and we painted this room pink when we moved in about 15 years ago. So it's definitely time for some fresh paint, but being sentimental as I am, I really didn't want to change it just because I like it how it is and it's always been that way. But I knew it was time for an upgrade and I knew my younger sister was ready for it. So here it is, guys. This is our extreme bedroom makeover. We are so in love with how our bedroom turned out, and it really went above my expectations that I had for it. I really couldn't envision this room being any other color than pink and all the decor that we've had in it for so many years, but I absolutely love it now, and I can't wait to show you guys a bunch of the things that we put in this room and how we made it turn out to be the way it is now. So for those of you who like to see the process in between the before and after, this is for you guys. So this is right before our room was painted, all of our furniture was covered up, and then he came in and he did a little bit of paint around all of the edges, and it started becoming so real to me that this was going to be changed forever. And then when I walked in and it was completely painted, I was like, oh my word, it was a completely drastic change. You know, it wasn't even just like a little bit, it was like a brand new room, and it felt way darker in there. But once we started putting everything back in the room and setting it all up, I fell in love with it. And so these are the first things I wanted to show you guys, these small wood canvases that my dad is hanging. Super excited that he's hanging this stuff on the walls. I can't believe this is happening. Super, super awesome. I have this chandelier on a pole over in the corner of our room for a couple years, but we're going to hang it from this corner, from the ceiling, right above. We're gonna get a new chair where the turquoise chair was. We're gonna get a brand new chair to put there, and this will be right above it in the little corner. One thing that was really important to my sister and I for our bedroom was lamps, because we love in the evening times, you know, to just turn on all the lamps and it gives us such a warm feeling. So we found these lamps at Burlington and they are perfect because they have the bling on it, which we were going for, and the lampshade is like a gray velvety material. So we bought these little flower hooks that we wanted to put right here from Hobby Lobby, but they're a different white than what the trim is. So we're gonna take the leftover trim paint and just repaint these so that they'll match. Alright guys, it's been a few days since we got our room painted and we've been getting a few things in here slowly but surely. I just thought I would show you, kind of recap everything that we have in here so far. Okay, so you guys remember we put the chandelier up over here, and then this really tall lamp right here. This is actually a lamp. It's gray. This was a lampshade that was in my mom's bedroom, and the little crystals on it match the chandelier. So I thought that was really cute, but it's pretty tall, as you can tell. It stands pretty tall off the dresser, but it looks really cute in here. My mom got a new one for her room, so we took her old one, which I was totally great with. And then I got this little Tiki Beach candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells really good, and it smells summery, and it was on sale on their like winter sale, so I scored on that definitely. This is the picture that we've had in here before, but the frame matched so good. I don't want to change it out, and it's super dusty. I need to dust it. We have all of our pillows and everything from our old bedroom set, that when we get our new set, we'll go ahead and put all the new coverings on. We did buy some new sheets for our bed. They are gray, super cute, so the turquoise ones will be going. But we got these on sale. They're pretty cheap, but it's all good because I feel like, you know, it doesn't really matter. Save money on that part. I don't care. Not super picky about that. And then over here, you guys saw this. I've had this for a long time. It's so cute, but again, it's matching the blingy that we got going on in the lampshade and the chandelier. So as you guys can see, this is what I'm going for in this room. All right, so let's talk about this little vase right here. My mom picked this up. I think she picked it up at Burlington or Home Goods. I can't remember. And then she got this little greenery piece right here at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was really cute. And then one of my piano students gave me this little, it's a little fake succulent, and I thought it looked cute with this greenery up here. And then we, both me and my sister both got these brand new trash cans. Mine hasn't been opened yet. I was going to show you guys before I opened, but it's so cute. But I love the detail on these lamps so much. Don't look too close. It probably needs to be dusted, but I'll do a final dusting before I show you guys the rest of the room. So we did order some new knobs for our dresser, and we got the knobs in. I can't wait to show you guys those. We got a brand new curtain rod to go up above our bed. And so that's really cute. Also has the little diamond detail on it to match with everything else. My mom got these silver candles. I think she said at Home Goods or Burlington. I can't remember. She went shopping without me one day because I had I teach piano lessons, so I had so many lessons one day, and she went without me, and she purchased a whole bunch of stuff for me, and it really, really was so nice. And then this is my sister's picture that we had in here before, and the frame matches really good, so I want to keep that as well. And then my mom picked this candle up, I think at Ross or Burlington, one of those awesome places, and it's a little bit, you can tell, obviously it's a cheaper candle, but it's really cute, and I think she paid $6 or $7 for it, and it smells really good. So when we don't want to burn our Bath & Body Works candle, we can burn this one. This is our laundry basket right here, and I love that it has a lid on it. Our last laundry basket didn't have a lid, and I wasn't realizing what I was missing out on.
Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be cleaning Courtney Lynn's room. I'm Courtney Lynn's sister, her beautiful, amazing, awesome, talented, thoughtful, caring, loving sister. I know she talks about me all the time, so you guys already know me, but I'm Kristen. And like the amazing sister I am, Courtney is at work right now, and so her room's a mess. I know, none of us can believe it. Courtney's room is a mess, but it is because it's been a little while, been a hot minute since she's had time to clean it. And like I said before, she's at work, so she can't clean it right now. So I'm gonna clean it for her. Not that my side's a mess at all whatsoever, but I have a few clothes out I probably should put away. It's not a mess though, keep in mind, it's not a mess. But Courtney's side is a mess. So Courtney is the messy sister. Get that right. All right. But we're going to be cleaning Courtney's room for her. So, here we go.
So here my sister is putting on our Eurosham covers that we got off of Amazon. These are just sequined Euro shams, and they look so cute in here, and they tie in with the bling that we got going on everywhere else. And if you're wondering where we got our bedspread from, we actually got this from a place called Dee Dee's, and I think it's more of a West Coast thing, I'm not really sure. But it's like a Ross, but a little bit cheaper, if you can imagine that. When we first put the bedspread on the bed, we weren't completely sold on it. I really like the ruffle detail, but I wish that it had gone all the way up to the top of the bedspread, and it only went halfway. But when we added all of those decorative pillows, it looked so cute, and it totally sold me on it, and now we love it. So one upgrade that we wanted in this room makeover was all new hardware on our furniture. So we got these really cute little diamond looking drawer pulls. And I didn't think it would make that much of a difference, you know, they're so little, but it does make a huge difference, and it looks really cute in here. And since this is a Courtney's Lens video, of course we have to add some cleaning in there for you guys to get your cleaning motivation. So I'm just dusting all of the furniture down and cleaning the mirrors and vacuuming the floor. And then I'm gonna spray some Febreze fabric spray on the bedspread and light a candle. So we are still looking for a gray chair to go in the corner right underneath the little chandelier, but we didn't feel like it was a necessity for this video because we haven't found one yet that we like, and we can always pick that up later down the road. Here I'm spraying the Febreze fabric spray in the cranberry scent all over this bedspread just to freshen it up a bit. And now I'm gonna light this Tiki Beach candle from Bath & Body Works. And now I'm using our Musu cordless vacuum to vacuum our carpet. Alright guys, here is the final look at our bedroom makeover. This was a total room transformation and I loved how it turned out. I love all of the different gray tones that we brought in and also all of the sparkly and shimmery things as well. I am a glitzy kind of girl. I love all things that shimmer, so this fit me perfectly. I wanted this last video of the bedroom to be shot in the evening time so that I could show you guys what it looks like when just the lamps are on, and it gives it such a warm and cozy feeling, and I love that our room has that vibe to it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed so we can stay in touch. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.